Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing. Today we'll be looking at the brother zipper foot, aka the eye foot. This foot allows you to sew closely to the teeth of a zipper, giving you a neater finish, and is also available on most brother machines. To attach this foot, first decide which side of the zip you will be sewing. The foot should sit next to the zipper teeth, so if you were sewing the left side of the zip, the foot would need to be attached on the right side of the bar. Before sewing, ensure that your needle position is set to the middle. This is so your needle won't strike your foot and damage it. When sewing, stay as close as possible to the zipper teeth. Once you finish your first side, reattach the foot and sew the other side. You can also top stitch the zip using this foot to neatly finish off a garment or project. The zipper foot can also be used when sewing single side bulk such as piping or boning. And that's how you use your zipper foot.